Hey members, this is Emma from the Boys and Girls Club, and today we have some super fun Jay's Unstoppable Kids challenges for you. Before we get cooking, we need to dress the part. First thing we're gonna do is go into your closet and find the best chef clothes that suit your personality. Create a fun chef outfit. This is mine. I have used a staff shirt and ribbon as my apron. And then I have used some paper as a chef hat. Perfect. Now that I have my chef outfit on, I've washed my hands. Now let's get our sushi on. Do you love the thought of sushi but don't want to eat raw fish? You can hollow out a cucumber and stuff it with your favorite healthy snacks. We're going to make our sushi out of ham, cheese, cucumber, and carrots. All right, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut a piece of cucumber. Just like this. Then, over top of a bowl, because it can get a little messy, we're going to use a spoon to hollow out our cucumber. You can use both sides of your spoon. Perfect, just like that. Then we're gonna take a piece of ham and a piece of cheese and of course our carrots and roll it up as tightly as we can. Then, once it's all rolled, we're gonna put it inside of our cucumber and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Now time to enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. I had a ton of fun. Happy eating.